What's up, world? See that perfect bubble? That's right. It's professional. Do not attempt this at home. Unless you're a professional. Label out. Fuck you all haters who think it's about you and not the beer. It's about the beer and the CBDC. F you. Otherwise, join the malt liquor drinking community. If you're just gonna fucking cam up, fucking all muscle out shirt, fucking just slam beers and go drink the Budweiser drinking community, or the Bud Light drinking community, or the Coors Light, or the Miller Light, or the fucking college beer drinking community, or the freaking blueberry fucking malt liquor drinking community. Craft beer. Label out! Fucks! It's about the fucking beer, man. Dirt Wolf Double IPA, 8.7% from fucking Pennsylvania. Fucking badass. I love this beer. And I usually hate Northeast beers. I'm all about the local. I like to explore, though. Explore my options. One of the great opportunities we have in the craft beer community is to explore our options. And one of them is checking out different shit. You don't have to slam or drink like a man. Enjoy that shit. That was almost $12 for a fucking 4-pack. So do the math. I just drank a malt liquor. One malt liquor, 40 ounce. And that much right there. And all you malt liquor drinkers, take the fucking mask off. Unless you're a fucking criminal, terrorist, or CEO of a company, in which case you shouldn't even be drinking malt liquor. You're drinking craft beer. Get the fuck off the cam. If you can't take off the mask, cam the fuck out. Cam up or cam the fuck out. Take that shit off. Fucking pisses me off. All you guys hide. You're almost like keyboard fucking warriors or whatever. But on camera, it's the same fucking thing. Same thing as the trolls. Keyboard heroes and shit. Video heroes. And your fucking masks and shit. Fuck that. You know what this is? I'm damn 50 years old next month. There's no just for men in that hair. There's not a gray hair in that shit. That is all natural, sexy, and the women love it. That shit grows faster than I keep up with, dude. I've got to fucking cut that shit in between job interviews. I used to have that shit in the middle of my back. I got a nice ass too. You know why that is? Why I got sexy blue eyes? Craft beer. I don't put poison in my body. I drink all natural craft beer. Motherfuckers. new metal, but the new era of heavy metal. Not that hip hop pop bullshit. Fucking MLDC. Turn that shit off, dude. You're not black. You're not fucking coming from the ghetto. Turn that shit off. Pump the shit that's positive messages, dude. A lot of this metal is positive, reinforcing, empowering fucking music. And they play their own instruments, by the way. Not fucking electronically compromised. And the second half of the beer, chug. That's the shortest video I can do. Shout out to Machiavelli 420, man. Whatever, you finally subbed to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed what you see. If not, fuck you. I'm supposed to give you 2 thumbs down anyway. That's part of the protocol. But anyway, keep doing what you do. And yeah. You guys have a safe and happy holiday season. I may not see you until the new year, but if not, then if so, then badass. If not, then this is it. I'll see you in January for the new year, bitches.